Okay, so today's video, money myths. You can't take it with you when you die. So let's begin. Today's agenda. Is it true? The facts, the problem, and what next? So is it true? Yes, it is true. Unfortunately, you can't take the money with you when you die. The money you earn, save, or invest is going to stay here. But is that a bad thing? Is that a good thing? Let's see. Well, back in the times of the ancient Egyptians, they actually used to believe that when they died, they could take the money with them. They could take their wealth with them. So what they used to do is they used to bury it with them in their tombs, in their coffins, and even in their linen that was wrapped around them because they were mummified. They'd put all the amulets, the gold. They'd take all their, pots, pans, what other things they got, rings, statues, jewelry, crowns, they take all of their wealth with them because they believe that in the next life they could take it with them. So that's just an interesting thing to know. But if we could take the money with us, I'm pretty sure our spouses would not be very impressed. So what's the problem with this statement? Well, this statement, normally when people say, oh, you can't take it, you can't take the money with you, you can't take it when you die, that kind of statement that people use is really just like an excuse. It's a negative statement. It's thrown around as an excuse for people not saving money. Yeah. People tend to say that when they haven't been saving money, or they see somebody else who is saving money, maybe yourself, they see that you've been saving, or you've been investing, or you're building up your wealth, or they look at other wealthy people and they say, oh, well, there's no point, saving money because, you can't take it with you when you die. The problem with that is it makes you believe that there's no point in saving money. Why bother then? If you can't take it with you when you die and then you're going to die, you might as well just basically live for the now and just spend all the money and just, be careless with it. That's what it makes you believe. That's what it makes you think. And that's what it makes you ultimately do, which is not good. So what next? Although the statement is true, you can't take it with you when you die. That doesn't take away the fact that whilst you're alive, earning, budgeting, saving, and investing money increases the possibility of a better financial future for yourself. And it reduces the possibility of you struggling financially in your life. So, one, you still need to plan for your financial future. Taking good care of your personal finances increases the possibility of better financial future for yourself. And like we just said, taking care of your personal finances reduces the possibility of you struggling financially. You can't use that statement or believe that statement that, you can't take it with you when you die. So, let me not plan for my financial future. Let me just be careless. Let me just, just do what I want now, not bother saving, just, spend it. Because what happens if you live a long life? If you live a long life, you're going to be struggling in your later ages because you didn't take care of it, because you believe silly statements like that. So if you're putting in the work right now, I just want to tell you, you're doing a good job. You're due a reward. So make sure you don't quit before it's delivered. You don't want to end up, saving your money up for a little bit and then all of a sudden, decide, actually, forget it, let me just use that money on something else. You're not going to get your reward in the end. So your action items for today. 1, begin planning for your financial future. 2, don't let this type of negative statement distract you. And as usual, like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment below and I'll give you my 2 cents.